Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send a test email here in Flodesk. All right. So first up, go log into your Flodesk account. And once you're in here, go to your emails and then select the email that you wanted to test. Make sure that the email that you're going to be testing is not yet published. All right. As you can see here, these ones are published, but this one isn't. Okay. So I'm just going to use this one. Click on edit. Now here we have the editor or the editing section. Now what we'll do to send a test email, just by going to the left panel, as you can see here, we have these buttons. All you have to do is just click on this icon, which got the send test message. Okay, click on it. Now the sender, automatically it will be you. And the subject, if you wanted to change this, go ahead and do so. And the recipient right here, add multiple recipients if you want to. So I'm just going to send this one to myself. Click on send test now. Wait for it. It says here, your test has been sent to this email. And as you can see here under promotions, I got the email. And there you have it. That's how you send a test email here in Flodesk. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.